Hi everyone, my name is Rais Kavinsky and I'm going to be presenting the project, my final project for wdd330. That's a travel planner experience where the user can choose the city where they're going to go, and this experience is going to show them the restaurants, some recommendations, and the user chooses a date, and through Ticketmaster, it is going to present what's going on that day. So let's choose New York, for instance. And when the user types New York, it's going to show New York and some examples in the USA. So as I said, it's going to show some restaurants, and over here we have some filters where the user can choose either price, like not so expensive, or rating that's like the best rating and the price that's better for them. Let's imagine this user is going to go to New York on the 28th, and then many events is going to happen on the 28th, and they want to listen to music, but there isn't a music, but there are arts and theater, and we can see many things. Click over here to see more about it, and the restaurant as well. See, the restaurant is going to the restaurant side, and the other one is going to Ticketmaster because that's the one I chose. The user can save the itinerary, a small view. A toggle button appears, and also he can click save, okay, and see the itineraries that's going on and goes directly to the itinerary. The user can either download it or clear everything up, like over here. That's basically about the travel experience. So this search icon, it's using geo names. The restaurants filter is using Yelp or iYelp via Rapid API. And the events, as I said before, is using Ticketmaster. That's the ones we chose. Let me explain a little bit about Trello. So whenever I was working on a week, I would click on the name of the thing I was doing, and then over here it's in the doing. Right now I'm preparing the demo for here and send it to done. Let me show you a little bit my GitHub so you can see the git ignore has a couple of things that there isn't there, the .env, netfly, etc. .env. Let me share my VS Code starting with the CSS. As you can see, I did the responsive. I even separated, that's easier to see. So smaller screen, animation. So you can see the animation that is on the cards, the restaurant card, events card, and some buttons. And then there is the hover that you asked for the CSS. Hide it. Okay, here, the event card, they have box shadow, they're rounded. As I said before, the get cities is using geonames over here. Here's the function for it. The await response JSON. And the JSON I basically used with the APIs together. Ticketmaster for get events, and restaurants, the iYelp. Okay. Each process was inside the env, so people couldn't have access to the code, to the API key, where they're gonna fetch, the data. So the cities, the restaurants, and present the errors. The storage, when the person decides to save the itinerary to a local storage, so it's also using JSON here on the main, so you can see it. I imported the from the API, and for the storage, some things. The DOM elements was for the search button, city input, the results, and everything is very, very detailed with very no global data. The functions, they are more complexes to show everything that I would like. Filters, there are the functions for each filter that was necessary. Let me go down and show you slowly. Here, the listeners, the city search, the ad event, everything that I showed was done by myself. Thank you so much. Bye.